Welcome to our Zoho CRM tutorial covering creating custom views. I'm going to give you a brief overview on how you can create views and switch between them. I'm going to use the Leads module to show you these concepts, but they apply to all of the different modules you have here. When you first go into a module, you can see here on the top left that you have a view name and a down arrow. If you click on the down arrow, you can see that there's all the different available views there for you to see. You can go down to the bottom and click Create View to be able to create a view here. When you go to here, you can select a name, just make up a name that you want for this, and then you can select certain criteria that you want this view to be based on. And these are all of the different fields you have created for a record in this module. Once you set the criteria, you can choose which columns you want to see, and you can just click on the plus to bring over any new columns. And these views that you see, these columns, can vary by each of the different views that you customize. Finally, you can select whether to have this view only available for you, for everyone, or for select users, where you would choose the users that you want. Once you were to save this view, it would show up here where I showed you before in the down arrow area and show you all of your available views. And then you would just be able to click on one, and then the leads that you see will change to those. What you can also do is to highlight which ones are your favorite, just highlight a view, click on that star, and then it will move up to your favorites, as you can see here. To find out more about how you can create custom views within Zoho, please go to marksgrouplive.com, where you can subscribe to our video library, which includes over 100 videos that can help you with anything you need related to Zoho. If you have any questions, you can reach out to info@marksgrouplive.com.